In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this particle rain scene. Add a plane and type S to scale. Let's create an icosphere with just one subdivision. Please make sure the render engine is set to Eevee, and bloom is turned on. I'll add the emission shader with strength of 35 for the sphere. Let's go to the node editor. We need to add object info and color ramp nodes. Constant is what we need. Let's select the plane mesh, and add a new particle emitter. We need to select the sphere as our particle object, like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.